Good afternoon. I am Hannah Hawk, Manager of Public Affairs for Montgomery County Commission, and we are pleased to announce the Emergency Rental Assistance Montgomery County Program, ERAMCo. We all know all too well how the COVID-19 pandemic has vastly impacted residents throughout this state. In Montgomery County, ERAMCo is here to help to fight homelessness, housing instability, and financial burdens. Just like the name says, rental assistance, ERAMCo will help qualified Montgomery County residents with funds pay for rent, utilities, including electricity, gas, water, sewer, internet, and trash, and past rent and utilities dating back as early as March 13th, 2020. To tell us more about this program and how it will impact the community, I'm joined now by Chairman Elton Dean. Chairman Dean.
Thank you, Hannah, and I too welcome you here today on behalf of Montgomery County. The county was blessed to be able to get $6 million for rental assistance, and it's a lot of people that need rental assistance because they lost their jobs, they lost financial resources. It's just so many things happened during this year pandemic. We are blessed to still be here, but the pandemic is still going on and people are still suffering. I won't take a lot of time but I just wanted to welcome you here and let you know that we do have the $6 million and we are ready to put it in force so we can help the people here in Montgomery County. So what I'm going to do now is let Commissioner Dan Harris come up and say a few words.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon. This program that we are announcing today, the Montgomery County Rental Assistance Program, is really a program that is long overdue, if I must say so myself. I understand that the state up to this point has administered a program, but this program is going to bring this type of assistance locally and closer to the individuals that we represent. All throughout this pandemic, we can look around and just see the devastating effect that it's had on families. It's taken lives. It's taken the health of individuals. Even if you survived it, there was a loss of health. And you've also lost income. And when you lose income, you're unable to pay your rent. You're unable to pay your utilities. This program is geared toward helping those individuals who's had a reduction in their ability to earn and their ability to keep up with their rent, to keep up with their utilities, and to other household and common everyday expenses to help them in order to deal with that. All of you who have called me and asked what it is that the county is doing, what it is that the county can do to help them during this crisis situation, well, the answer is here. It's the Montgomery County Rental Assistance Program, and you're going to be hearing more about that from Commissioner Rhonda Walker. Thank you.
I'm also going to allow Commissioner Sankey, who represents a very depressed area where I know a lot of rental assistance is needed in his area, which is, I think it's District 4. Commissioner Sankey, would you like to say something?
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Chairman Dean, for the opportunity to speak on this particular issue. An excellent program, not just for the tenants, but for the landlords as well. The landlords have been waiting to get paid, and the tenants didn't have the money to pay, so it's going to be beneficial for both the landlords and the tenants. And I represent a significant number of people who have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19. They either they're in the service industry, they either lost their jobs altogether or had their hours reduced and they could not pay their rent. So I'm happy that we have this program. It's been a long time coming, but it is available and ready. And so the landlords will be getting the money that they're due, and the tenants will be able to maintain housing and a decent standard of living. And so we're happy to support this program and happy that those, in particular those who've been disproportionately affected, will have some means of staying in their homes, getting their housing needs met. So thank you.
Now we will hear from Commissioner Wanda Walker, who will go into further details, and she will also close it out when she's finished.
As Chairman Dean said, I want to share some of the specifics about the program so people are aware how the program works. The rental assistance program in Montgomery County is to provide assistance for those who qualify, and that is tenants and landlords. So the tenants and landlords can apply. Tenants, I'm going to define that term. It's someone that resides in Montgomery County. The household must have a combined income at or below 80% of the area median income. A tenant is at least one member of the household qualified for unemployment benefits, or one member of the household experienced a reduction in household income, incurred significant costs, or experienced other financial hardships due to COVID-19. Continuing to define tenant, a household has received a past due rent notice, past due utility notice, or an eviction notice, or lives in an unsafe or unhealthy housing condition. So tenants can apply for the rental assistance. Also, landlords can apply. A landlord is defined as someone all payments must be used to satisfy the tenant's rental obligations, and the tenant must sign the application if the landlord is the one who applies. So now let me tell you how you can apply for the Montgomery County Rental Assistance Program. You can complete an online application, which can be found at the Montgomery County website, www.mc-ala.org, or you can call 1-833-823-0007. So you can apply online or you can apply by phone. Again, the Montgomery County website to apply is www.mc-ala.org. The Emergency Rental Assistance Bill was passed by the United States Congress as part of the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2021. It provides $25 billion nationally for pandemic response rental assistance. The program is administered through the U.S. Department of Treasury, and as part of that relief package that was passed by Congress, Montgomery County received $6.8 million to fund this rental assistance program. Again, applications are being accepted starting tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. That's when the website will go live, tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. The duration of the rental assistance program will depend on the number of eligible applicants that we hear from. Again, this is only for residents who rent in Montgomery County and landlords who rent in Montgomery County. We have much more information on our website, mc-ala.org. You can review the facts section, qualifications questionnaire, AMI diagram, and much more at the county website. Thank you so much.
Are there any questions?
We can do questions afterwards individually as well, if we'd like to do that. Okay, thank you so much.
Good job. Good job. Yep. I just helped.
You always do.
Yeah,